Your topic is the dramatic struggle I faced when trying to take the perfect selfie only to somehow look like a confused animal in all of them. You know, you make those faces, right? And you end up looking like a confused animal. Have you got the topic? Would you like me to repeat it? Repeat? Alright. The dramatic struggle I face when trying to take the perfect selfie only to somehow look like a confused animal in all of them. And your time starts now.
Good morning. Yesterday I went on a hike. People from all over the world were there to witness it. I took a selfie. People were there apprehending me to be someone of a great facial expression. Yet I lacked them. The selfie made me look like an animal confused in all states. Aspects can be different, but I stood there on the verge of an island to bring justice to the selfie that I had just taken. Out of everyone in this competition, I would like me to be the first one to take a selfie. Good morning everyone, once again. Jam is a wonderful competition, yet looking like an animal in a jam competition is something way different. I have...
Repetition of the word just.
She's right. Yes, you continue.
Please repeat the topic once more.
Your topic is the dramatic struggle I face when trying to take the perfect selfie only to somehow look like a confused animal in all of them. Your time, the remaining time, how much time do we have? How many? 15 seconds. Quickly, if you 15 seconds, you get the point. Start.
Confused animal. What is the word that we all get into our mind when we see my own partner, Mr. R.M. Keshri? Of course, it is such a topic to speak on that deviates all our minds. Confused animal never beings on, getting into a point that makes our people laugh and
All right. Time up. And she gets 10 points. All right. Now the next team. And you could have interjected. You could have. Why didn't you all? All right. I'm not going. That's not my job. Your job is to tap her as soon as she makes a mistake. If you don't tap her, you are missing out on your points. Right?
I have a question. What points did we get?
Right now, we'll let you know. Let it come to the close. Okay? It depends on the timing. You've also got minus marks for repetition. Right? All right. Now the second team. The fun begins when I have a tummy upset. Suddenly, my stomach sounds like it's auditioning for the role in a horror movie. I repeat, the fun begins when I have a tummy upset. Suddenly, my stomach sounds like it's auditioning for the role of a horror movie.
I remember when we are facing with a upset tummy. I got the bell from here first.
She fumbled.
She fumbled. Of course she fumbled. So -1. You continue. The time starts now.
I was in my room when I was afraid because I saw a ghost in my room, and like when I was surprised to see Mrs. Fatima in my room, you know, I was totally astonished. Tomorrow, when I was preparing for the Marian Fest, the lighting of the lamp ceremony was to be conducted in the morning. But Father Gregory D'Souza told me not to come in this school. And I was totally, you know...
Yes.
A repetition of the word was.
All right. All right.
Ma'am,
Did it? Yes.
ma'am, we are not supposed to repeat preposition, conjunction and articles.
You're not supposed to repeat?
Preposition or articles at least.
Of course you can.
So was is a preposition.
So
Sorry,
was is not a preposition.
Sorry. Was we can be used. Was
But he used it twice.
Okay.
You used it twice. So don't do that. One sentence should have the verb in it. You can't have was twice in the same sentence. Got it? Yes.
I would like the topic to be repeated once.
Alright, your topic is the fun begins when I have a tummy upset. Suddenly my stomach sounds like it's auditioning for a role in a horror movie.
Yesterday, when I was at school, people from all over the world came to witness the food I was going to eat. Diet can be different. And it was my time.
Yes.
He fumbled.
Okay. Yes, he fumbled. How much time is left? 20 seconds. Okay. Speak.
Upset tummy. What is the word that comes to your mind when I take names of few teachers of our school? Of course, that is a very fun word that all of us are illustrious to. I heard of the news that Miss
Repetition of the word that.
That, yes. Repetition. 8 seconds, if you can take on 8 seconds. 1 minute before you begin. The participants are making a number of mistakes. You're losing out because you are not tapping that bell. Please wake up. Alright? Yes.
Yesterday, I went on.
What was it?
late start.
I don't think so. No. Yes, continue. Oh, yes.
Ma'am,
Now,
it was a
yes.
late start.
Yes, late start.
Will be also late start.
Of course, you have to start immediately. Immediately. 7 seconds. Take it on.
Yesterday, the food served in our Marian Fest was not at all fun. It was like it was making our tummies upset.
Done.
I took the bill. What was repeated?
Sorry, but you were far too late. Alright, thank you. Yes, in rivalry there's fun. Right, now the next topic. Or, I think you get the next topic, Germans. Are you studying Macbeth? Okay, I'll not give you that one then. Alright. The joy I experience when I walk into a room and forget why I'm there. Now I'm just standing there like a confused GPS. I repeat it. The joy I experience when I walk into a room and forget why I'm there. Then I'm just standing there in that room like a confused GPS. Yes?
Late start.
Late start. Alright.
Confusion that creates in our mind when we enter in a school and often forget what we are here for. Yesterday, it was our problem when me and Aryan entered in our school and we all were in a confused state.
Repetition of word we.
Repetition of we?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't think so.
Ma'am, there was in successive sentences. 3 times in all the sentences.
No.
It was there.
I've been listening. No. It's okay. Yes?
Repetition of word school.
Repetition of the word?
School.
No. I'm keeping a track. Yes?
Yesterday when I entered into my house, it was like a glorified personality was welcoming me. It was none other than Mr. Pradeep Tripathi, my old chemistry teacher. I was in a confused state of mind. What was he doing?
Repetition of the word my. My. 2 times.
Twice. Okay. Take it on.
When I was entering the room, could you please repeat the topic once?
Alright. The joy I experience when I walk into a room and forget why I'm there. Not now, I'm just standing there like a confused GPS.
In a confused GPS manner, which basically means
Early start.
as soon as
No.
she joined it, then
No. Yes.
should I start from
Yes.
in a confused GPS manner, which basically means standing a fumbled manner in a point.
Mom, hesitation.
Hesitation, okay?
Most of us are often confused when we enter in an auditorium. We all were in a confused state of mind when we entered the St. Mary's Hall today. It was
Yes, she fumbled.
Ma'am, please repeat the topic.
The topic is the joy I experience when I walk into a room and forget why I'm there. Now I'm standing there like a confused GPS.
Yesterday night I was going to my coaching. It was something mysterious. The sounds of noise and the whooping.
I heard it from this side.
Ma'am, she hesitated.
Okay, she hesitated. 9 seconds.
Shall I start?
Yes, please.
I am in the jam competition today. You know I'm totally afraid and my stomach is aching right now. And I asked Mr. Abbas to give me a stomach ache.
Repetition of the word I and mine.
Repetition of the word I.
Mine. So I heard it twice, like both the words were
Now see, you've got to remember one thing. If it is a new sentence and he uses the word I, it's not wrong. Alright, you have two sentences, there's a full stop in them. Even if you use I did this, I went here, it's perfectly alright. Is that clear? Keep a track on that. Yes?
Ma'am, shall I start?
Yeah. 1 second.
Hello every people, I am here.
Done. Alright. Battle of wits. Who's the next person? Okay. Now your topic is the moment I realized I showed up to a party with missed shoes and the price tag still hanging off. Now I'm the main attraction. The moment I realized I showed up to a party with mismatched shoes and the price tag still hanging off. Now I'm the main attraction. It's happened with me.
Day before yesterday, when I went to a party, I noticed that I have mismatched my suit.
Yes. Repetition of the word I.
Ma'am, we have
But
lost
it was in the same sentence.
Sorry?
It was in the same sentence as I said.
Yes.
Yeah.
Don't get very aggressive. I'm listening to you. Yes. Yes. Correct. Now continue.
When I was entering a situation,
fumbled. I did it first, fumbled.
Okay, you did it first. Right. Fumbled, correct?
Mismatched shoes stood to the side of everyone. People were afraid. Mood came down. My cat came on the floor. Now this was time for people to come out of their houses.
Ma'am, repetition of the word people.
Repetition of the word people.
We repeat it twice.
Two different sentences, like I use
But
it in
it's not a like conjunction or something.
1 second.
I was a preposition.
1 second.
I was a pronoun.
Oh my goodness.
She told it like I cannot repeat it, so I
Okay, continue. See, I told you, if it's a new sentence, you can say that word again. Obviously, it's a new sentence. Right? As I told you, if the sentence is new, you said I for the next sentence, granted.
Mama is
1 minute. He said people for the next sentence, granted. Right? Now keep that in mind. And please ensure when you're speaking, there are proper pauses. If there aren't any proper pauses for a sentence, a very short pause, I may consider it as repetition in the same sentence. Is that clear? Yes. Done?
Mismatched shoes stood beside of everyone. People were afraid. I have been a great admirer of St. Mary's. This is the first opportunity that I've got to be on the stage. I have been a great amputee. Now, this was time for night to be overshadowed by the day. People were afraid. My cat came flying. I went to the moon. This is something unusual yet astonishing. Mesmerizing is the word that I would like to use. People from all over the world were there to witness the globe spinning at the regular speed. This was something unusual yet. For is something that I use in my sentences, yet it is the
deviation from the topic.
Deviation from the topic. Exactly. Because you were going off. Yes, correct.
Please repeat the topic once.
I'll repeat the topic for you. What? Okay. Just a minute.
a mismatched shoes. Grammatical error. A mismatched shoes.
What happened?
A
Miss, yes.
Choose an article.
Yes, absolutely right. Well done.
Mismatched shoes are my favorite, yet people despise them. Out of everyone, I have found it really difficult to match shoes. People
All right, time up. A round of applause for all of them. It's a real battle. The battle's on. All right. The next team. Your topic is, when I try to pass a note in class and it ends up flying across the room, landing perfectly on the teacher's desk. I repeat, when I try to pass a note in class, it ends up flying across the room, landing perfectly on the teacher's desk.
Shall we start now?
Your time starts now.
Me and my girlfriend were sitting in the classroom.
fumbled in the pronunciation.
Sorry?
Fumbled in the pronunciation. Like
What pronunciation did he fumble in?
girlfriend, like when he said he extended the word and he said me and my girlfriend. The second person comes first and then the first person. Using in the capital letter two. Two errors in one sentence.
You'll be a good grammar teacher. Yes, start. All right, yes.
I would like the topic to be repeated once.
I give you the topic again. When I try to pass a note in class, it ends up flying across the room, landing perfectly on the teacher's desk.
The teacher's desk is my destination. Whenever it comes to making a plane, I have been the greatest. Landing it on a perfect.
He fumbled.
Yes, he fumbled.
Yesterday was my day when I made an aeroplane, fly it on my teacher's desk. It was the most funniest commentary that was given by my friends. It was none other than Mr. Dinesh Chaurasia who was teaching me mathematics. And at that time, I felt that a devil has entered into his mind.
That was repeated in the same sentence that at that time and before that she used that. So
Yes, repetition.
I think give her the mic to speak like I'll have to speak.
Give who the mic? Whoever, somebody from the team has to do it.
What are the seconds left?
Sorry?
Time that is left?
How much time is left? 36 seconds.
36.
Ma'am, please repeat the topic.
Alright, the topic is, when I try to pass a note in class, it ends up flying across the room, landing perfectly on the teacher's desk.
I have always been a good helper. Whenever my friends asked for a note, I flew it like a paper plane. Yesterday night when I did so, it fell on the teacher's desk. This was horrifying. My English teacher, Mrs. Ma'am, have always tortured me. Now you will wonder why I use the word Mrs. Ma'am. It was her name. We have always been deciding to pass notes to each other.
Yes.
Repetition of the word Mrs. Ma'am in the same sentence.
Alright, I give it to you. 14 seconds.
Yesterday was the most amazing day of my life when I was doing the dedication ceremony of Marian's Fest.
Yesterday was when I was repeated in the same sentence.
Yes, grammar sir. Yes.
Yesterday I tried a
Six.
trick. People were there to witness it. Now this was time for night to overshadow the day. Teacher came by. I was there to make a plane out of the note that I had just prepared. People were there.
Okay, time up. He gets the points. Alright, all over. Okay, that was fantastic. Let's hear a round of applause for all our participants. I think they've done a wonderful job. They've kept us entertained. And now we move to round 2. Round 2 is twist in the tail. What are the rules? In this round, things are really going to get very interesting. You'll start speaking on the topic, but halfway, we'll throw a twist your way that will test your adaptability and quick thinking. The challenge is to handle the chain smoothly and keep the conversation going without missing a beat. Right? Now, are you ready for round 2? Yes, right. So, the rules are, each participant is given a straightforward topic to speak about. Say why I love weekends. The twist introduction, halfway through their speaking, that is around after 30 seconds, the jam master will introduce a sudden twist to the topic. Alright? Then, the challenge for the speaker. The participant must instantly adapt to the new topic without pausing, hesitating or deviating from the conversation. They must keep the flow going smoothly, integrating the new twist seamingly. There are no challenges from the other teams. Nobody is going to challenge them. Right? So we are now going to mark you for your grammar, your English, everything. There is no direct challenge from the other team. The focus is entirely on the participants' ability to adjust and maintain fluency when the twist is introduced. So, shall we begin?
I could ask a question.
Yes?
Like while I'm speaking and in the midst of that, I'll get a new topic or new words.
Yes. Right? And your partner can help you. You have a partner, your partner can help you.
In what way?
In what way? You're speaking for 30 seconds, right? And when I give the twist, maybe your partner could take over if you're not confident enough to continue. Is that clear?
Ma'am,
So now teamwork is required. Yes?
will we get even 1 second time or 5 second time duration for any preparation?
For?
For thinking what to say on
No.
the second one?
No.
But one more question. Is deviation allowed? Like we
No, you can't deviate.
from the main. Okay.
You can be creative.
Yes, ma'am, sure.
Alright, you can go into a metaphor, into the metaphorical world, you can, any literally, this thing you can use. But
Excuse me.
make sure that you don't deviate, yes?
Ma'am, can you please ask the Egyptians to be more clear with the mic?
Yes, I was feeling there's something wrong with your mic. Could you just check your mic?
Is it okay now? Like.
Even I am not able to hear you very clearly,
Sorry for
so
that.
just put your mouth a little closer. Okay, ready? Yes.
Are the rules which has been initially set are the same that we can interject the speaker? We can't. This time.
I said no challenging. Right? You all have to work as a team. Right? If you feel after 30 seconds a twist you cannot handle, then your partner comes in. And in case you stop, you will be marked on whatever time you have taken as per the timing rules. Right? Okay, are we ready? Supposing after 30 seconds. First team Egyptians, why my pet is secretly plotting to take over the world. Why my pet is secretly plotting to take over the world. And your time starts now.
Yesterday, I asked my pet, a dog who has magical qualities, to talk in human languages. He replied me that he has been trying to plot against my teacher. This has been something new to myself. All of the time, my family and friends decided to talk to the dog, ask about his plans, but it was not so as we decided. Last night, we said about a dog's party. There he went out and suddenly plotted a murder plan against his friend. This was something mysterious. The dog had magical qualities which changed him to the other animals.
Alright, 30 seconds up. The twist is suddenly you're convinced that your pet is now actively conspiring against you and has turned a secret agent.
Suddenly, I found that my pet was behind me. It was a infuriating sight. I was out of bounds. People were there to witness it, yet I lost to my pet, who was Platypus Perry. He is an agent. This is something wonderful, yet I am not Phineas and Ferb. They were my favorite characters, yet I find it difficult to have a pet who wants to rule the world and conspire against me, his own owner. I am here to dictate my jam.
Alright. Your time is up. And remember, we have Mrs. Terry who's judging you for your grammar, for construction of sentences, agreement of verb with the subject, and I'm keeping a watch as well. Right? Now, the next team. Alright. The awkward moment when you wave at someone, you keep waving at someone and that someone doesn't wave back at you. I repeat, the awkward moment when you wave at someone who isn't waving at you.
It fills me with an uttermost shame when I wave at someone and they wave and they aren't waving at me back. The point is, I feel that I'm not being valued and it hurts somewhere my self-respect basically. And what I say to them that even they notice that if I wave at me back just to keep my heart a little safer place so that I not feel bad about it, and so I don't get hurt about it.
Alright, the twist is the person you thought was ignoring you turns out to be waving at your principal who is just behind you.
I was fascinated when I got to know that the person to whom I waved was waving at my principal. I was really terrified at the moment that how come she knew my principal when she was in different school from which I am. And I got to know about her from my tuition, and she was a really rude person who could not respect her seniors, her parents, and I was really terrified that she even knew my principal.
Come on, you still have time left. 4 seconds, 3 seconds.
And I was really
And I liked my principal so much after that.
Time up.